हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर शो जिन टॉक्स विद अभिषेक। आप सभी को मेरा नमस्ते और ढेर सारा प्यार। आज जो हमारे साथ आने वाले हैं उनका नाम है कोमलप्रीत कौर और मैं आपको बता दूं वो ब्यूटी टिप्स भी देती हैं और आज हमारे साथ वो कनेक्ट होने वाली है और बहुत कुछ शेयर करने वाली है हमारे साथ, लाइक उनका जर्नी कैसा रहा बीइंग एन इन्फ्लुएंसर। तो चलिए आइए हम कलेक्ट कर लेते हैं कोमलप्रीत को। ओके ओके फाइन। सो ऑलरेडी आई हैव इंट्रोड्यूस्ड you like to our audience, so I would like to start with give some like brief about you to our audience, like what you do, what is your page is about.
Actually, I'm a YouTuber and a beauty and makeup influencer. So I give some beauty tips as well as some makeup tips, and more like a tutorials as well as some product reviews that I recommend
Okay.
some products to my audience.
Okay,
So
that's
what to
great. That's
use,
great.
what not to use.
Okay, so I would like to tell my audience that Komal is handling an Instagram page that is the name of Handle with Care. So, like, when you started this Handle with Care, and what made you to start this Handle with Care page? Like, when you thought to start this page?
Actually, I started this page like long ago, but last year at last I started it up. I started with a YouTube channel.
Okay.
So with the YouTube channel, I started growing my Instagram page. So the response was more from Instagram later. So I started, taking forward that Instagram page rather than the YouTube. But I share almost the same content or the other two to the
So the
motive
content,
of the both things.
okay, the content differs from the YouTube to the Instagram, or the content are the same. Like, whatever you put the content on the Instagram, you put the same content on the YouTube, or they are different.
No. They are different. They're completely different. YouTube is more like a descriptive form, and I just show a glimpse of that on Instagram because sometimes Instagram we can't show the full things. Rather than we have to put the
True.
IGTV videos.
True. Even though like nowadays this IGTV is growing rapidly, so you do have too much of future in this IGTV. We've started continuing making the videos and giving the tips on the IGTV. You might get good response. So I would like to continue with the third question. Like, what is your best beauty or health tip? Like in your, like you have already completed so much of journey. Like you started 1 year back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
The
okay, so what would you like to give the beauty tips or health tips to our audience, like being an influencer or covering the journey so far? So what beauty tips would you like to give?
The beauty tip which I want to give is that avoid using chemical-based products. Refer
Okay.
to the natural products. Like you may skip one time washing your face with chemical ingredients, and you can switch on to some natural thing like multani mitti. Or
Okay.
if you are having dry skin, you can move on to some chandan powder. So you can skip one time face wash with this natural things. And moreover, if you're having pores problem, I would definitely, if you are not having, then I would recommend rice and natural face wash. These are the two basic things, which
Okay.
is the secret of glow,
Okay.
I would say.
Secret of
Glow on your face.
okay. Actually, it was the network issue. There was a network issue. So
Oh, okay, no problem.
yeah. So I just wanted to ask you the fourth question. Like, what do you think? What made you so popular among your followers? Like, why you are so follower? What do you think about it?
First point is that which I think is that I give my best to them and I give my honest reviews. It's not like that brand has submitted that product and I have just have to praise that product. Audience know that if I don't like that product, I would definitely give my negative review on that. It's your choice, you have to use it, but it doesn't work for me.
Correct.
So whatever I think that this product is a waste of money, I will do tell my audience that this product is a waste of money. Don't waste your money on this.
Okay. So, Komal, what is your best experience after being an influencer, like covering the journey so far? What is your best experience you had ever felt?
Best experience is that I started this channel. I thought that I have a lot of knowledge that I can deliver my audience. But
Correct.
after starting the channel, I realized that if total knowledge is 100%, I'm just having the 10%. I need to recover that 90% of the knowledge. I just learned a lot of things while my 1 year, and I'm looking forward to learn much more.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So you think that the knowledge you have is not fulfilling your audience or what? Like,
No, it's not like that. It's not fulfilling my audience or something. I am, capable of answering their things. Sometimes I learn from my audiences that yes,
okay,
this
this
is
needs to
also
be
the thing.
okay. Okay, so many of the things you are also learning from the audience.
I'm also learning from the audience. Even I'm researching on some other things that,
Mhm.
each and every month, some new trends are coming into the market. Some new trends
Correct,
are
correct.
coming into our beauty and as well as the makeup industry. So I'm
Mhm.
learning that things and I'm looking forward to deliver it to my audience as well.
That's great. That's great. So, like, how many brands you have worked with till date?
Actually, I never counted it like
Okay.
that how many brands I have worked with. There are so many, but my
Okay.
best experience was with L'Oreal, Paris,
Okay.
and Mama
Okay.
Earth and Wow. These are some of the top brands which I feel
Mhm.
honored that they connected me,
Correct.
contacted me, and I
Mhm.
worked with them.
Correct. Correct. So, like, what you like, the brand contact you or you contact them? How it works? Like, you reach to them or they reach to you?
They reach to me many of the times, but if I,
Mhm.
I must contact them that they should know that there's some other bloggers also that I should connect them, or my fellow bloggers tell me that
Correct.
you should contact that brand. So most
Mhm.
of the time brands contact me, but just with one or two brands I have connected them. But it was my privilege at L'Oreal Paris or the some of the brands, most of the brands they connected with me, and I worked with them. So this is this is how my life goes on.
Okay, okay. So, like, what do you think after being an influencer? What is the biggest achievement you had received?
My biggest achievement was that when my audience recognized me, the messages they sent to me through
Correct,
DMs,
correct,
even I don't know them, and they would show so much of love. That is how
Mhm.
we exist. We influencers exist. Even
Mhm.
if there is no audience, could not exist. So the
Correct,
love of the audience was the biggest achievement, which I
correct,
think if I would have been a normal girl, I would have missed that thing.
correct, correct. True. Even for each and for every influencer, they feel the same thing as a achievement, like from getting a love and getting a care from their audience. So, like, I would like to ask you one thing, like, you as a beauty, you are giving a beauty tips, health tips. So, any of the homemade products or DIY products you would like to recommend to any of your audience, like who is watching you right now? Any of the homemade products that is beneficial for their face, for glowing or something like that?
Audience, they are not interested in some mix this and you will be like that. They just want a simple things. एक चीज उठाओ face पे लगाओ and you will get that glow. So first thing is that you should use multani mitti, जैसा I said, multani mitti or chandan powder or charcoal powder or any other like powdery thing for your face. Even if you don't want to invest, just take a basin and use it as your face wash just once a time, preferably in morning. In evening, you can use your regular face wash. Next is lemon for your, underarm whitening or your elbow whitening or your feet whitening. And the third thing is ice for
Okay.
pores.
Ice.
Ice cubes.
Okay, okay. So, what is your struggle behind your story? Like every people do have a turning point. What is your turning point? Like after becoming an influencer, or you can like take it as before influencer. Also, what is your struggle point that you still now remember the struggle point in your life?
Yeah, struggle point. Before being an influencer, before starting my page, I would always say कि घर वाले क्या बोलेंगे? They would say
Correct,
you are still at that age. You should focus on your career. Well,
correct, correct.
in our stage, in our generation, parents think that this can never be a future. This can never be a career. आपने शौक के लिए करना है, you can do it. You cannot take it as a career. So first point
Okay.
is that हाई घर पे कैसे क्या सोचेंगे? They would say लड़की फोटोज डाल रही है,
Correct, correct,
सोशल
correct, correct.
मीडिया पे
और
लोग
इंडियन
बातें
फैमिलीज में ज्यादा
करेंगे.
होता है. करेक्ट करेक्ट।
yeah, लोग बातें करेंगे ये. But the good thing was that my mother, she believed in me from starting. Though she is, I can't say she is conservative or she is so much of open-minded, but I was surprised that एक बार भी मना नहीं किया that no, no, don't do this. Even though my other relatives, you know, they said that what are you doing? This is not the thing. पढ़ने की उम्र है, job कर, ये वो. Though I'm doing a job, another job as well, but that was the
What
thing
job
which
you are doing?
pulled me back.
Sorry to interrupt you in
Right now,
between. Like,
right now I'm teaching at a university in Chandigarh.
that's great. That's great. Like being an influencer, you are also handling the same thing as a trainer. So that's great. Like you are doing it as a passion, or like because handling both of the things is very difficult as per me.
Yeah, handling both of these are difficult, especially in this lockdown period because we have to work at home and that work is 2 times the more than I have to go to the university. That I think that I enjoyed going to university, but right now it's really very hectic. So it's controlling is you know, difficult that I have to control, but I enjoy both the things. This beauty influencer and makeup thing is my passion, but just for my career, because we don't, you know, earn that much, because people think that beauty influencer earn so much, इनको products free में आते हैं, ये कुछ free में आता है, but we can't eat that thing. For our earning, for our future, we need to do some other thing as well.
True. Just wait a second, Komala. Just wait a second.
Sure.
Okay, so as you told, like जो भी चीजें आपको गिफ्ट में मिलती है, वैसे as an influencer you get many things you might have got like as a gift, right? So
yeah.
So जाहिर सी बात है, ये हमारे ना मतलब स्टमक को फील नहीं करती है और ना हमें अर्निंग देती है, जाहिर सी बात है, इसी से हमें अर्निंग करना पड़ता है. तो like what like how like बहुत सारे कमेंट्स आपको आते होंगे जो कि रॉन्ग कमेंट्स होते होंगे, or you think like many haters will be there, as because lovers will be there, so the haters will also be there. So आपको क्या लगता है कि जो haters है, how you handle the haters, like commenting, if someone commented on your post, say any bad comment, so how you handle that post, like how you reply them?
Sometimes I feel that haters are also necessary, because कई बार वो haters का comment हमें इतना touch कर देता है कि it sometimes become a turning point कि इससे मुझे क्या है, कैसे दिया ये गलत चीज, अगर ये गलत चीज कही है तो I should improve that. दो चीजें होती है, या तो होता है उसने क्या है क्यों दिया, मैं सही थी और उसने क्या है कैसे दिया. सेकेंड इज दैट कुछ तो बात होगी, कुछ तो कमी होगी, that he has said something wrong. So that something becomes our changing point कि उसने गलत बोला है, कुछ तो बात होगी, I should change that thing. Let me tell you an example. When I started my channel around 1 year back, I posted a video on that, makeup video thi, and the girl over there, she was not Indian. She commented on that video ki your base is looking cakey. Why don't you choose your foundation shade as per your skin tone? And then I realized, then I researched a lot, and then I realized that Indian makeup is all about, you know, choosing, become fairer. It's more about fairness. Makeup means gore hona. And then I realized that in other countries, makeup actually means just to hide up your imperfections, that's all. They don't care about fairness or something. So that's how I learned ki instead of concentrating on fairness, I should, you know, concentrate on just thodi bahut jo imperfections, just hide it all and you're done.
करेक्ट. हेटर्स अगर ना हो, इनफैक्ट अगर हमारे लाइफ में हेटर्स ना हो तो हमें सीखने को भी कुछ भी नहीं मिलता. अगर आपके लाइफ में हेटर्स हो तभी आपको कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, और जब तक आपकी गलती कोई नहीं निकालेगा ना तो आप वो गलती करते जाओगे. तो एक हमें समझ में आता है कि एट सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी गेट टू नो दैट हाँ ये गलत है, वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव दिस एंड वी शुड वर्क ऑन दिस. तो जब हम उस पर वर्क करने लगते हैं तो इट मेड अ परफेक्ट शॉट. तो एक बात बताओ आप कि लाइक who is your role model, like who's your role model till date, like whom you follow to be an influencer? Someone will be there because everyone is having their role model, right? Either being an influencer or as a lifestyle or as a living the life, anything. The example can be anything. So who is your role model?
I can't say the role model, but I was inspired a lot by Swati Bhamra, YouTuber, because her journey was like that. Her in-laws, they didn't supported her husband didn't supported her, but still she came up with so much of good performance, and now she's trending all the way. So she inspired me a lot कि बेशक आपको कोई सपोर्ट ना करे, आप अकेले रास्ते पे चलते जाओ.
ऐसे हमारे इंडिया में हमारे बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स ऐसे हैं जो बहुत स्ट्रगल करते हैं, और बहुत सारे स्ट्रगलिंग पॉइंट के बाद भी वो अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. तो ऑफ कोर्स आपने जो कहा कि वो आपकी रोल मॉडल है, तो ऐसे लोग हमें रोल मॉडल बनाना चाहिए जो हमें इंस्पायर करे ये बताने में कि कभी भी लाइफ में रुकना नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज मूव फॉरवर्ड. सो आप एक बात बताओ कोमल, व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि जैसे जो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो इन्फ्लुएंसर बनना चाहते हैं, माइट बी दे वांट टू बी लाइक यू as a beauty influencer, also give tips, beauty tips, health tips. So what should opt for to be an influencer like you? What do you think?
First thing is that you should be honest. Okay. Honest with your reviews, no matter who is paying you, who is recommending you. If you are honest with that product, people will definitely follow you. People will definitely love you. Second thing is that if you respond your audience timely, if someone is asking you something, you are answering the correct way, you are answering to the point, and you are regularly checking your DMs if someone is asking for something and you are replying to that, so people will start following you. True. So उनको पता है कि ये हमारी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लायक है. Why don't we follow her? Why don't we tell 10 other people that she is the one, उससे जाके पूछो. So first thing is that मतलब किसी को ट्रस्ट करना मत करो, एंड बी ऑनेस्ट. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट ऑडियंस है, आप ऑडियंस से हो, जब तक आप उनको रिप्लाई नहीं करोगे, यू आर नथिंग. सो सम पीपल आर लाइक कि आई डोंट चेक माई डीएम्स, व्हाई शुड आई चेक माई डीएम्स, क्या पता कोई फ्रॉड हो, बट क्या पता है that person definitely needs your hand. So that person is trying to, I'm not saying that you should contact each and every DM. If you can, it's your personal choice, but if someone needs help, then you should definitely,
you should try to,
we should try.
जितने जन, वैसे आप सबको रिप्लाई कर सकती हो, आप कर देती हो सबको रिप्लाई. If someone DMs you, you fulfill all your audience requirement की जो भी question हो रहे उनका आंसर देते हो.
If someone is asking some particular question about a product or something, I definitely prefer that person कि उसको पहले मैं आंसर दे दूं, उसकी क्वेरी सबसे पहले सॉल्व कर दूं, बाकी को मैं बाद में देख लेती हूँ. नो डाउट आई प्रेफर कि मैं सबके जो है वो बात सबसे कर सकूं, बट समटाइम इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज एवरी डे वी गेट सो मेनी DMs, so sometimes it's not possible.
True.
But I try to question each and every question.
That's great. Even being an influencer, you are adding value to someone's life. आप जो भी कर रहे हो, you are adding value to someone's life. So it is very grateful to answer everyone, and also giving the clearing their queries and also giving the solution to their problem. So what do you think? इतने सारे अपने ब्रांड्स के साथ काम करा अभी तक. What do you think? Which brand you prefer that audience should also go with?
See, till now, I can't say that this product or this brands, all the products are awesome. So, किसी में 19-20 का फर्क तो होता ही है. But some brands are like that, which I love the most, like Mamaearth. I would recommend to try out that products because first of all, they are chemical free, they are vegan, they are good for mothers as well as good for children as well. So Mamaearth is that that brand which I definitely, I trust that brand.
That's great. That's great. So, आप हमारे साथ आज आई हो live. So I want to just ask you at this pandemic situation, आपको क्या लगता है as a health, आप health tip भी देती हो. So what health tips you want to give to the people, to the audience at this pandemic situation? Because they need to, because right now at this situation people are very curious about their health and they are taking care of their health. So any health tips you want to give to the audience?
Yeah, one tip is that you should बेशक अभी गर्मी का मौसम है, but you should continue drinking the warm water. वार्म वाटर
Not
थोड़ी थोड़ी देर बाद पीते जाओ इफ यू कैन. अगर आप नहीं टॉलरेट होता, कईयों से बिल्कुल भी नहीं टॉलरेट होता, सो एटलीस्ट वंस अ डे, दैट मीन्स इन मॉर्निंग यू शुड ड्रिंक वार्म वाटर. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट प्रेफर विटामिन सी. लेमन हो गए, not that artificial juice, no, I won't recommend that. Lemons, oranges, or if you are like me who can't tolerate vitamin C as lemons or oranges, so you can that vitamin C
okay.
capsules that are easily available on any chemist shop.
Correct, true. Right now people are going for the increasing their or boosting their immunity power, so whatever is boosting their immunity power, they are preferring that only. So Komal, what motivates you the most? Because everyone is doing something that motivates them the most, so what motivates you the most?
Audience love motivates me the most, and whenever someone says me that you should continue, you are doing a great job, you should continue doing this, so that thing motivates me. So there was a time when I stopped everything. I stopped posting on Instagram, stopped posting on YouTube. Then some 4 or 5 people, because I thought that they are not giving me the response. I'm not getting any response from that. I haven't started earning that. I should stop this. I can't do this anymore. I can't take this anymore. Then when I stopped everything, then some 2 to 3 people, rather 4 or 5 people, they messaged me and then they asked me, what happened? Why have you stopped posting? We love your posts. We love your reviews. Just we want your tips on this product. We want your reviews on this product. We want this tutorial. We want this tutorial. And then I realized that if I was helping that 4 or 5 people, why I stopped this? Even if I'm helping these people, so I should continue with this. फल की बाद में सोच लेंगे, एटलीस्ट हेल्प दोस पीपल जिनका फायदा हो रहा है.
और वैसे भी आप कोई भी काम को करते हो, इफ यू आर गिविंग एनी ऑफ द वर्क योर फुल टाइम एंड कंसिस्टेंसी, अगर आप कोई भी आप सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म में कंसिस्टेंसी देते हो, तो नो डाउट आपको आगे जाना ही है. बिकॉज पीपल विल स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग यू, और जब तक आप कुछ करोगे नहीं, देन पीपल वोंट स्टार्ट फॉलोइंग यू, दे विल अनफॉलो यू. क्योंकि जब उनको कुछ वैल्यू मिल ही नहीं रहा आपसे, व्हाई विल दे फॉलो यू? अगर आप हो ही नहीं, सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में आप आ जाए और 2 दिन बाद आप चले गए, तो कोई भी फॉलोअर्स के लिए वो वैल्यू एड कर ही नहीं रहा, तो वो क्यों फॉलो करे आपको? तो जाहिर सी बात है कि उनको अगर लगता है कि आप यू आर रियली एडिंग वैल्यू टू देयर लाइफ एंड यू शुड कंटिन्यू दिस थिंग्स, सो यू शुड कंटिन्यू. वैसे आपको क्या लगता है, लाइक व्हाट आर यू टेकिंग दिस, लाइक आपने जैसे बताया कि आप ऑलरेडी जॉब कर रही हो इंस्टीट्यूशन में, तो आर यू टेकिंग दिस एज अ पैशन, लाइक इन्फ्लुएंसिंग वाले जो थिंग है, आर यू टेकिंग इट एज अ पैशन और एज अ फ्यूचर, कि नहीं अगर इसमें फ्यूचर बन गया तो मैं छोड़ दूंगी ये जो जॉब वगैरह, ये छोड़ना है मुझे और इसी को अपना फ्यूचर बनाना है, और या तो इसी को.
This is true. Okay. Yeah, that is true. That I started everything as a passion, but when I look forward, then I see that I'm enjoying this thing. I'm enjoying, no doubt, I'm enjoying both my professions, but I enjoy more doing this kind of things because we do everything, something new. Every day we have something new. We have new achievements. We have new goals, and I feel that if I feel a long way to, still now I have a long way to go. और अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि अगर इसी में ही मेरा करियर जो है, आई थिंक दैट वो सेफ हो जाएगा मुझे किसी पॉइंट पे आके लगा, तो देन आई विल डेफिनेटली कंटिन्यू दिस. एंड जॉब का फिर सोच सकती हूँ, बीइंग अ टीचर, आई लव बीइंग अ टीचर.
अभी क्या आप उस लेवल पे नहीं हो तो दोनों चीज हैंडल हो जा रहा है, बट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू नीड टू चूज विद वन थिंग एंड यू टू गो विद वन थिंग. ऐसा नहीं है, वैसे करते तो लोग 2 भी चीज है लाइफ टाइम के लिए, दोनों चीज करते हैं, बट डिपेंड करता है पर्सन टू पर्सन. वैसे कोमलप्रीत, आपने लाइक इतना जर्नी कवर करा लाइक 1 साल में, एंड बीइंग अ लाइक इन्फ्लुएंसर, व्हाट मैसेज वुड यू लाइक टू गिव टू आवर ऑडियंस और अ न्यू कमर टू द इंडस्ट्री?
द न्यू कमर, जस्ट बी कंसिस्टेंट. जो जैसे मैंने गलती की थी कि जस्ट अगर मुझे अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिल रहा है कि just leave it and live a normal life. Don't do that. अगर आपने सोचा है that I want to go in this industry or in this field, just be consistent with it. Give your best. ये नहीं सोचना है कि ये कंटेंट मैंने रखा हुआ है उस टाइम के लिए कि जब मैं तब पोस्ट करूंगी जब मैं इस लेवल पे पहुंच जाऊंगी. जस्ट गिव योर ऑडियंस, मे बी वो ऑडियंस आपको उसी पोस्ट को आपके लाइक करके वो आपको प्यार दे और आप उसके तरफ पहुंचो. सो डोंट टेक इट दैट कि अपने गोल्स बनाओ and just be consistent. If you are posting regularly, just post regularly and don't post it कि हाँ एक ही चीज बार बार post करनी. नहीं, audience wants something new, so give them something new with your new thoughts and be prepared with all the questions related to that field. ऐसा ना हो कि कल को आपको कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे उस चीज के रिगार्डिंग, you are not answerable.
So, Komal, what do you think? One should, like, if he is starting the page, like, if he is starting the influencing journey, one should keep in motto of only the monetary value, or one should go with adding value to someone else. Like, क्या motto होना चाहिए?
No. Starting में सब यही सोच के आते हैं that we want to add some. नहीं, starting में when you just want to start this thing, we will help something. जैसे ही आते हैं जस्ट 40-50 डेज के बाद ऐसा लगता है यार वी आर नॉट गेटिंग समथिंग, हमें पैसे तो मिल नहीं रहे, क्यों दिमाग खवाएं यार इस चीज में. सो लेट्स स्टॉप इट. बट उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट थिंग उसके बाद लगता है कि नहीं यार, इफ वी आर एडिंग समवन, वी वर एंजॉय दिस थिंग एंड हम लोगों को वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हैं, व्हाई डोंट वी डू दिस. सो the thing is that कि पैसे कमाना वो आपको मिल जाएंगे बाद में. Start with the thing that we need to add value to someone's life. So that is the thing.
Okay, that's great. So, like, Komal, where you get the content, like, from where you accumulate the content, और आप ये content जो है खुद से बनाती हो या you find somewhere and like you do assemble of the content? कैसा है कि पूरा content खुद से बनाती हो? How you do that?
Most of the times the content जो होता है वो मेरा खुद का होता है, but sometimes बहुत कम बार ऐसा होता है कि we just choose the topic कि हाँ ट्रेंडिंग में चलता है कि why don't we do like this. So topic maybe we can choose from anywhere else, but content जो होता है, जो अंदर का मटेरियल होता है, that is मेरा खुद का. So we can't take anyone's content.
करेक्ट. बट और एक चीज नहीं इसमें, मतलब आप जैसे हेल्थ टिप देते हो, ब्यूटी टिप्स देते हो, तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं होता कि बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आप यूज करने पड़ते. लाइक आपने वीडियोस दिखाया, एक प्रोडक्ट का वीडियो दिखाया, फिर दूसरे प्रोडक्ट, लाइक यूजिंग सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स, लाइक ऐसा नहीं लगता इट इज हार्मफुल फॉर योर स्किन? लाइक आप यूज करते हो इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट, तो इसमें क्या कहना है आपका?
ऐसा तो है कि अगर हमें वी वांट टू गिव समवन अबाउट रिव्यूज तो रिस्क लेना पड़ता है. देयर आर मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स सूट नहीं करते हैं, सो उससे हमें खुद को रिएक्शंस होती है. बट वी हैव चूजन दिस लाइफ, वी हैव चूजन दिस प्रोफेशन, वी हैव चूजन दिस फील्ड, सो उतना रिस्क तो लेना बनता है. बिकॉज कोई भी फील्ड ले लें, रिस्क तो हर में होता है. सो इसमें हमारी स्किन को रिस्क होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट.
ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू. सो आई वुड लाइक, मैं सबको अपने ऑडियंस को बोलना चाहता हूँ कि यू कैन स्वाइप अप एंड यू कैन सी द डिस्क्रिप्शन डाउन देयर, जहाँ पे इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक दिया हुआ है कोमलप्रीत का. यू कैन गो एंड फॉलो हर एंड शी विल ऑफ कोर्स ऐड वैल्यू टू योर लाइफ. और आपको वो डीएम्स भी अगर आप करते हो तो शी विल रिप्लाई टू ईच वन ऑफ देम एंड शी विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर ईच वन ऑफ देम. कोई भी आपको हेल्थ टिप्स चाहिए, ब्यूटी टिप्स चाहिए, ये काफी अच्छा देती है. मैंने इनका खुद पर्सनली इनका पेज देखा कुछ देर पहले, तो इट वॉज वेरी नाइस. सो आप भी जाओ, इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू एंड प्लीज गाय गो एंड फॉलो हर. और आप हमारे चैनल को भी डाउन में जाओ और सब्सक्राइब करो. हमारे यहाँ स्वाइप अप में सब्सक्राइब का भी ऑप्शन है. हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो और ढेर सारा प्यार दो, ताकि हम कोमलप्रीत जैसे और भी काफी इन्फ्लुएंसर को अपने साथ ला पाए और इनकी स्टोरीज जो है, इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज जो है, और भी शेयर कर पाए. वैसे थैंक्स कोमलप्रीत लाइक फॉर ज्वाइनिंग विद अस. और हम इन फ्यूचर हम चाहते हैं कि आप जैसे आपने कहा कि अगर ये फ्यूचर में अच्छा चला तो हम, मतलब आप और भी आगे इसी को फ्यूचर बनाओगे, तो हम तब फिर कनेक्ट होंगे आपसे, ये जानने के लिए कि जब हमने उस टाइम आपका इंटरव्यू लिया था और आज ले रहे हैं, तो ये जो जर्नी है उसका जर्नी एक्सपीरियंस हम फिर शेयर करेंगे आपसे. ठीक है, तो आज के लिए हम यही खत्म करते हैं ये लाइव सेशन. फिर हम आपसे मिलेंगे एक टाइम के बाद, जब आप बहुत बड़ी इन्फ्लुएंसर बन जाओगी. होप सो आप बन जाओ एंड आवर विशेस आर देयर. ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, टेक केयर कोमलप्रीत, बाय.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
बाय.